Hi, thanks for joining me. This is just an explanation of the lessons that I'm giving you so you can soon understand the Jamaican language very well and who knows, one day talk it fluently. The structure is first I tell you a story or do a commentary in Jamaican Patwah, but immediately afterwards I tell you in English what I said. So keep joining me, and soon you will be able to understand everything a Jamaican says, and one day you may even learn to chat like a me. Have yourself a wonderful day. So how you do this morning? Everything good with you? Me alright, man. But me and my friend just a chat about how we Jamaican lick about with Talawa. Me say when hurricane a come, and then put up the map on TV, you can't find Jamaica, the way it licky bit. But look how Jamaican all over the world are going with things. Me say, you remember how the Jamaican boy them go in a winter Olympics, go in a bobsled competition at the Olympics? Me say, we don't know Jamaica, So everybody I wonder how them at Jamaican learn to do bobsledding. Well, master, we look about with Talawa. And me say anywhere you go in the world, no matter if a back a wall, where you hear no Bob Marley music, everybody know Bob Marley music and still love him. And look how long him dead. And me say, you ever hear about one little youth named Usain Bolt? Me say the boy fast like a lightning, then call him Lightning Bolt. And though he retire now, couple years well he retire, But guess what? Nobody can break his record. Broke his record, him still are the fastest man in the world. But master, look how America big. All them a year America, big America, how much million, 100 million people them have. And they no have no woman vice president, much as a black woman. But guess what? Me say if a man named Mr. Harris from Brownstown in a Jamaica never migrate go America and have one picnic. And now America wouldn't have one female vice president, much as one black woman. Me say man Jamaica don't stop lick about with Talawa. Ask anybody. My friend and I were just reflecting this morning on how despite our small size, Jamaica makes such big strides throughout the world. We produce bobsledders, although we have no snow. Our music is known in every corner of the world. Anywhere you go, you will probably hear Bob Marley's music playing. And the fastest man in the world remains Usain Bolt, despite the fact that he has retired so long ago. And look at it now. America has never had a female vice president. But a gentleman by the name of Mr. Harris migrated from Jamaica to America. And now his daughter is the first female vice president. And guess what? She's black. And America is such a racist country. So we have to admit that despite our small size, Jamaica is little, but is making a lot of waves throughout the world. I hope you're enjoying these lessons in the Jamaican language, and by now you have gotten your Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com, because it will help you greatly in learning to chat like a we. Have a great day.